Hey, good morning everybody. Once again, FedEx tracking. Monster of the month came early. So let's get to it. Open her up. Because I have to work afternoon turn today, so not much time to spare. Once again, everything will be a surprise. Not sure who did it. Intrigued. It's a smaller box this month. Let's see what this is. This is August's monster. Ooh. And it is a monster indeed. What have we here? Wow. This is a excuse me, I just woke up. This is a vicious looking guy. Those teeth. Is that? Yep. This is Mikey. Mr. Rotella. Not only did I just wake up, now I gotta try to pronounce the name of this monster. Okay, let me give this a go. Tsezarr. Tsezharr. I'm gonna call him Tsezarr for right now, okay? If that's wrong, correct me. Creature and Story by Mikey Rotella, released August 2015. The hard-boiled, villainous interstellar hitman. Not much is known about origins of Tsezarr. He was a prisoner of the Pelagians, bloodthirsty religious zealots. Tortured ruthlessly in a Pelagian mind prison, his psyche was systematically compartmentalized to transform him into a mind-controlled slave. His programming. The various personalities he developed were meant to house secrets and carry out different political assassinations, only unlocked and instructed using certain code words. During his programming, mistakes were made and the wrong code words were used, sending his mentality into one of his past ops. He awoke with no knowledge of who he was or where he was. He knew only one thing, that he must kill a certain galactic dignitary. He murdered everyone in his path, hijacked a warship, and escaped the Pelagian world. He terrorized the galaxy, hell-bent on completing his mission, only to find that he already had. The dignitary was dead, and Tsezarr was without purpose or understanding. His one burning urge to kill could never be satisfied. His confusion only turned to blind rage and hatred for everything living. If he could not kill his mark, he would keep killing for sport and profit until he learned who or what he really was. All he could remember was that he was a killer, and the sound of the code word that he awoke to. One meaningless word. Tsezarr. Interesting story. Actually a very well thought out backstory for this nice creature. Pretty wicked alien mask right here, guys. Pretty slick. Love the teeth on this. Never disappointed in Mikey's sculpting. I like these little like leopard spots that they painted on him. And guys, you know, the paint jobs are always good. The guy who does it's usually pretty decent. Beautiful sculpt work again. Here you go. Hate to cut this short this month, but like I said, I gotta get ready for work. I just woke up. But here you go. Really digging this one. It's gonna look great beside all the rest of the monsters of the month. August monster of the month. Tsezarr by Mikey Rotella. Until October, guys. See ya.